Jersey number 59, Lopez, left, the shot is good. Thank you, Darima, para jersey number 2. Intercepted, jersey number 6, Smith Was. That's jersey number 11. There for his teammate setting the play. 15-second shot clock. Jersey number 11, 12-second shot clock. Jersey number 29, wide open for 3. Let's go for 3. Timeout, Barangay Pangilinan. Time remaining 6 minutes and 59 seconds to play. Under 7 minutes to play. Para sa ating third quarter, score 61-43. Para sa ating third quarter, score 61-43. 18-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 4, San Pedro, pass to jersey number 17. Back to jersey number 4.
Shout out Ezekiel Galang.
Pass to jersey number 15.
Ezekiel Galang,
Jersey
shout
number 2
out.
corner, pass to jersey number 21. Same ball, subdivision. 10-second shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 21, to jersey number 15, 8-second shot clock, to jersey number 2 for 3, it's good for 3. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. Back to jersey number 29, wide open for 3, it's good for 3. Out of jersey number 21, 29. Jersey number 71, pass to jersey number 17. On the round to jersey number 2, intercepted jersey number 11. Aguinaldo, easy down, easy dribbling. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes to play. Corner pass to jersey number 0 for 3, it's good. Nakibang para jersey number 15 to jersey number 2. De La Vega losing the ball turnover. Subdivision. Time remaining 5 minutes and 53 seconds to play. Having third quarter. Score 64-46. 80-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. To jersey number 29, Lopez. Back to jersey number 11. To jersey number 0, 12-second shot clock. On the peak. To jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. To jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 6. It's good for 2. Score 66-46. 20-point lead. Jersey number 71 to jersey number 17. Corner pass to jersey number 23. Long 2. After jersey number 23. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo to jersey number 29, has